How to create account on eToro. If you wish to create an eToro account, it is rather quite simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the eToro application right here. Once we launch the eToro app, this is the type of interface that we will be able to see. Now, if you already have an account, tap on the sign in button that you can see from the bottom. But if you don't have an account, what you want to do is just tap on the continue button from the very top. Now, once you want to tap the continue button, tap on get started. It will ask us to join eToro. You can enter an email address that you wish to use for your eToro account and tap on continue, or you can also continue directly with Google or Facebook account. Just based on whatever it is you want, you can tap the continue option right there. And after you've done that, on the next page, you'll be able to enter other details like your password and verification method. And once then, your eToro account will be successfully created. That's all it takes for us to create our eToro account. I hope that this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.